Hey, what's up, guys? This is Taylor, and I'm doing the free video for Wednesday, May 28th. We had the FOMC minutes today. We got Nvidia earnings after the close, and as one would expect, that makes for a choppier, quieter day here on the Wall Street. Got QQQ, couple bucks shy of that recent 523 high, and a few squeezes coming through here. Got a 4-hour squeeze, have a pretty good-looking 30-minute squeeze, and then a 15-minute and a 5-minute. So that'll kind of be the big question into tomorrow and Friday. Can we get a move going through those highs, maybe into 525, 530? If they can't get going through the highs, market might be a little bit tuckered out, maybe time for a buyable dip. Watching that on the Qs, and then a lot of squeezes here for the futures. NQ with a 1-hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, and a 5-minute. S&P futures, a 1-hour, 30-minute, 15.5. Couple here for the YM, couple on Bitcoin. All neutral for now. And then a couple of things I do like, a couple of things are playing in the room. One would be this the Spotify here. We jumped in and got long here yesterday. Squeeze and a white arrow on the weekly chart, the daily time frame, the hourly, the 30-minute, and the 15-minute time frame. The white arrow being a squeeze and a big 3 score of 15. So like that one for a push up into... They've got a call wall up here at $700. Anything into 685, 690 should be good enough for a decent paycheck. And then we are wrong on the idea on a good break in the close back below that daily 21. Really clean stuff. Weekly buy, 15-minute buy, the 5-minute, 2-hour. All of the pretty colors. From that, jumping over to FAST, which is a little bit quiet today on the session. But we jumped in, bought this one also yesterday. White arrow daily squeeze, that one did fire. And then we got the weekly, the 3-day, and the 2-day squeeze setting up. Squeeze, big 3 score of 15. 3-day time frame squeeze and a big 3 score of 15. Gotta like it. We are wrong back below 40.50. Looking for a play here into 43 and change. Got the Spotify, got the fast, and then looking at Palantir here. One of the recent high flyers. Right, you got the push off the bottom, the pull back, the push, and then the catching of the breath. Pulls back to a daily 8 and with a brand new daily squeeze. With a little bit of patience, could be shaping up for a pop here. Daily squeeze printing with a 4-hour, a 2-hour, a 1-hour, a 30, and a 15. Now, what I would like to call for a push higher would be a few more lower time frame buy signals. One that we had bought back on Friday was Crowd. And I think, Crowd, a really good example of a good-looking daily squeeze, but then really good alignment from the ground up. 5-minute locked and loaded, 15-minute, 30-minute. Let me show you Crowd when we bought it. Give y'all a sense of what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's Crowd from back on Friday of last week. Daily squeeze, white arrow, A plus setup. But then in terms of alignment, if you look above the daily squeeze, there was a big 3 buy trigger on the weekly chart, the 3-day time frame, the 2-day time frame. You take that daily squeeze, pop open the hood, you had a 2-hour buy signal, a 1-hour, a 30, a 15, and a 5. So pretty much, it's a moment of time where in the context of a really bullish daily squeeze, from a weekly chart all the way down to a 1-minute, everything pretty much locked and loaded. They got the structure, the trend, momentum, locked and loaded for a push. That can light the fuse, get that daily squeeze going for you. So Crowd was a good one there. But that being the poster child of alignment, Palantir could get a little bit better. Right now, no hourly buy trigger, no 15-minute, no 5-minute. So I'm going to keep an eye on that one. I'll be watching. And then aside from that, let's go jump to Nvidia. The big man on campus, earnings are tonight. And they're pricing in about, let me go check. An $8.50 expected move. I'm going to call it 10. So they're looking around 125, 145. The market maker box. But yeah, Nvidia being Nvidia, they go gapping the thing up 5, 10, 15%. That's a great thing for the QQQ, Nvidia, the SMH, the Broadcoms of the world. They go spanking the bad boy, gapping down 5, 10, 15%. Not a great thing for all involved. So we shall see how that one goes, but aside from that, guys, got the QQQ, handful of lower time frame squeezes, couple of bucks short of the recent highs, and I think through that 523 should be a kick into 525, maybe 530. If not, maybe more of a hurry up and wait market, but I am liking Spotify, we are liking the FAST, watching Palantir, and then we'll see what's up here with Nvidia. Thank y'all for watching, have a great night. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button, and hope to see you in the room. Oh, before I forget, we got JC doing a webinar tomorrow night on his new momentum system. So check that out. That'll be here on the Simpler YouTube channel. I imagine that'll get going around 8 o'clock Eastern. So check it out. Grab a cold drink. Come hang out. I'll be in the chat. And I shall see y'all there. Adios.
What's up, traders? This is Taylor from Simpler Trading. I wanted to thank you for watching our video, and if you liked the video, go on ahead and comment down below, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon to get a notification anytime we upload our next video. And of course, if you want to watch us trade live in real time with our own money, check us out at simplertrading.com. Until then, trade safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.